take a look at the world around you, the skyscrapers piercing the clouds, the massive dams holding back millions of tons of water. The marble monuments built to preserve the names of kings for eternity. We look at these things and feel a sense of permanence. We call them immortal, but there is a silent, invisible law governing every atom of our existence. There's a law that doesn't care about your legacy, your engineering prowess, or the strength of your steel. It is the Iron Law of Decay. Right now, as you watch this, the very chair you're sitting in, the screen you're looking at, and the building you're inside are all in a state of slow-motion explosion. Every structure we have ever built is a temporary rebellion against the second law of thermodynamics, and physics always wins. In this video, we aren't just looking at ruins, we're looking at the inevitable future of everything we call ours. We're exploring why every monument we build is destined to disappear. The greatest threat to our monuments isn't time itself, it's the fundamental nature of the materials. Most of the modern world is built on a foundation of iron and steel. We love steel because it's strong and flexible. But steel is unnatural. In nature, iron wants to be iron oxide rust. To create steel, we pump massive amounts of energy into iron or to refine it. But the universe hates high-energy states. The moment we stop painting, cleaning, and maintaining a bridge, the oxygen in the air begins to reclaim that energy. It's a chemical on building that never sleeps. Then there's concrete. We think of it as stone, but it's actually a sponge. Micro cracks are inevitable. Once water gets inside, it reaches the steel reinforcement bars, the rebar. The steel rusts, expands, and cracks the concrete from the inside out. This is known as concrete cancer. Without human intervention, most of our modern concrete infrastructure would collapse in less than 100 years. Even the Great Pyramids, the closest things we have to forever, are being sandblasted by the wind. They lose millimeters of height every century. Given enough time, there will be nothing more than a pile of dust in the Sahara. If the chemistry doesn't get us, biology will. Life is opportunistic the moment a human presence vanishes. Nature begins its siege. It starts with the roots. A tiny seed falls into a crack in a sidewalk. It finds a pocket of dust and moisture. As it grows, its roots exert thousands of pounds of pressure, splitting granite and lifting foundations within 20 years of human abandonment. City streets would be invisible under a carpet of weeds within 50 years. Trees would be growing out of the 10th floor windows of luxury apartments. Within 500 years, the concrete jungles would become actual jungles. We think we are conquering nature, but we are actually just holding it at bay. The moment we stop sweeping, the green tide rushes back in. This isn't a tragedy, it's a return to equilibrium. The Earth isn't destroying our monuments, it's simply recycling them. On a long enough timeline, even the planet itself isn't a safe vault. Tectonic plates shift, subducting continents back into the molten mantle. In a few billion years, the sun will expand into a red giant, vaporizing every trace of the Taj Mahal, the Eiffel Tower, and the Great Wall. Even our digital monuments to servers holding our photos are history. And this video requires a constant pulse of electricity to exist. If the power goes out for a century, our entire digital civilization vanishes into a digital dark age. It's a humbling thought. We spend our lives building permanent things to prove we were here, but the Iron Law of Decay tells us that the only thing that truly lasts is the process of change itself. So, does this mean our building is in vain? Not necessarily. The fact that things disappear is what makes them precious. We build not because our monuments will last forever, but because they tell our story now. The Iron Law of Decay is a reminder to appreciate the structures, the cities, and the world we have while we have it. Because in the eyes of the universe, everything is just a temporary arrangement of atoms waiting to be rearranged. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the hidden forces that shape our world, make sure to hit the like button for more explorations into science, history, and the future of our civilization. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notifications. We're building a community here that appreciates the beauty and the breakdown. Thanks for watching, and remember, nothing is permanent, so make it count.